Stacy is going to eat a whole cookie at her mouth at a time.
You just wait till that, though. I'll tell you to take some more.
Okay. Here she goes. 3, 2, 1. Look at her go. Look how big that mouth is. Breathe through your nose. Breathe through your nose. Do you want me to end it now? Oh. Hi, Stacy. Try saying hi. This is our bracelet things that we're making. There's the letters. Yeah. Back to Stacy. Why don't you stick out your tongue? How long can this be? Because it's like barely moving red and yeah.